Hey there, I'm reviewing this 6 cube storage organizer that I've tucked right here under my messy desk, real life, right? So here it is, tucked right under here. And I'm using it to store all my craft things. Now this storage container has been really great, and I didn't expect it to be so sturdy. It's got a lot, you can see that it's made of this plasticky material, but it's actually really strong. And once you put it together, it's really sturdy. It's got a pretty good capacity. I can stick my arm like all the way in there, up to my elbow and back. And here's the second one. As you can see, it's great for organizing in small spaces, and it'd be great for toys, or for me, it's like a crafter's dream. It can hold a lot more weight than expected. I've had stacks of books on here at different times. So it's definitely earned a permanent place in my office/craft room. And if you're needing some sort of sturdy storage that's really versatile and easy to put together, I highly recommend this.